English by Jammy. Rose greens. Personal information. English listening practice for beginners 01. Hello, everyone. It is nice to meet you. My name is Rose. My last name is Green. My full name is Rose Green. I am a woman. I will tell you about my age. I am 27 years old. My birthday is on January 30th. I was born in the year 1998. My birthday is January 30th, 1998. I am Thai. I am from Thailand. I live in Thailand. Thailand is a country in Asia. What do I do? What is my job? I am a teacher. I teach English. I am an English teacher. I like teaching English. It is my job. My address is 123 Queen Street. The house number is 123. The street name is Queen Street. My postcode is 99,000. The numbers are 99000. That is my postcode. So, my address is 123 Queen Street, postcode 99,000. In Thailand. My phone number is 098-712-3456. Let me say it slowly. 0 9 8 7 1 2 3 4 5 6. My email address is rosegreen101@lovely.com. That is R O S E G R E E N 1 0 1 at lovely.com. I have a family. My family lives in the countryside. It is not in the city. They live far from me, in the countryside. I have one older brother. My brother is older than me. He is 30 years old. He is married. He lives with his wife. I have one younger sister. My sister is younger than me. She is 25 years old. She lives with my parents. My younger sister lives with my mother and father. So, I have one older brother and one younger sister. My family lives in the countryside. Finally, what do I like to do? What are my hobbies? I like to read books. I also like to play sports. I like to play tennis. Tennis is a sport. I play with a racket and a ball. Now, let's review all my information one last time. Listen carefully. My full name is Rose Green. I am 27 years old. My birthday is January 30th, 1998. I am Thai. I live in Thailand. I am an English teacher. My address is 123 Queen Street, postcode 99,000. My phone number is 098-712-3456. My email is rosegreen101@lovely.com. My family lives in the countryside. I have one older brother. He is 30 years old. He is married. I have one younger sister. She is 25 years old. She lives with my parents. I like to read books. I like to play tennis. Thank you for listening to my information. It was nice to talk to you. Goodbye for now.